We love innovation in the garage, especially when it comes to cars. Electric cars are the future, no doubt. But let's face it, folks, sometimes that future can feel a little pricey. And I ain't just talking about the sticker price at the dealership. Now, I've seen my fair share of cars, from classic muscle cars to the latest electric marvels. Each has its quirks, but there's one thing that makes those electric bills sting more than a jalapeno burger repairs. It's a real head-scratcher, right? You'd think with fewer moving parts, electric cars would be cheaper to fix. Well, hold on to your socket wrenches, because the reality is a bit more shocking. Let's pop the hood and take a look at why fixing those electric dreams can turn into a financial nightmare. Meet Sarah, a friend of a friend who's passionate about going green. She traded in her gas guzzler for a shiny new electric car. Thought she was doing her part for the planet, saving some gas money, the whole 9 yards. One day, Sarah's electric chariot decided to take an unexpected nap right in the middle of rush hour. No warning, no sputtering, just complete silence. Turns out, even electric cars have bad days. Tow truck driver chuckled, said he'd been seeing a lot more of these fancy cars lately. Little did Sarah know that chuckle was a premonition of the bill that was about to hit her harder than a runaway Tesla. This wasn't just a jumpstart situation, folks. Sarah's electric escapade was about to get a whole lot more expensive. First up, parts. These ain't your grandpappy's carburetors and spark plugs, folks. We're talking high-tech batteries, complex wiring, and components you can't just find at your local auto parts store. And finding a mechanic who speaks electric car? That's another story. It's a specialized skill set, and those specialized skills come with a specialized price tag. Labor costs for electric car repairs? Let's just say they can make your hair stand on end. But wait, there's more. Remember how Sarah's car just up and died? Turns out it was a problem with the charging system. Not just a loose cable, mind you, but something deep in the car's computer system. Diagnosis? Expensive. Repair? Even more so. And don't even get me started on the availability of parts. Some of this stuff is so new you practically have to order it from the future. So, what's an eco-conscious driver to do? First off, don't panic. Just like any car, electric or not, things happen. But knowledge is power. And in this case, it can save you a whole lot of green. Do your research, folks. Find a mechanic who knows their way around an electric car before you need one. Ask about warranties and what they cover. And maybe, just maybe, consider investing in a good roadside assistance plan. The electric car revolution is here to stay, but it's still a work in progress. By understanding the potential repair costs and planning ahead, we can all enjoy a smoother and hopefully more affordable ride into the electric future. And hey, if you ever find yourself face-to-face with a hefty electric car repair bill, just remember, at least you're saving the planet, one expensive repair at a time.